Welcome to Kingsley Beverages, where we offer a world of flavor. Kingsley produces and distributes great tasting beverages with superior quality. Our range of beverage brands and products reaches across Africa, North America, the Middle East, and Europe. The company was founded in 2007 with the aim of offering consumers a new choice in premium quality beverages at an affordable price. Since the onset, the company has grown rapidly, now offering an extensive range of products, including carbonated soft drinks, fruit juices, energy drinks, sports drinks, and bottled water, and all the popular flavors and package options. Kingsley is committed to only using natural ingredients where possible in products, with a focus on using 100% locally sourced sugar, natural flavors, and natural colorings. Would we suggest Egoli Gas to our customers? Yes, we opted for Egoli's piped natural gas as it offers our brand a cleaner fueling solution. With up to 30% less CO2 emissions on our high steam energy demand, our Melbourne branch in Johannesburg consumes approximately 24,000 gigajoules per annum. Our second branch, Kingsley Roodepoort, uses approximately 12,000 gigajoules per annum. We recently opened our can production plant in Apex, Benoni, which consumes approximately 41,000 gigajoules per annum through the Egoli Gas regulated business unit. The new plant equipment utilizes piped natural gas to form part of water heating to wash, dry, and coat newly produced cans. Egoli's pipe solution direct to the premises also facilitates the ovens and printers used for application and drying up coatings. Pipe supply of energy means fewer deliveries on premises and a decrease of fuel storage on site. These factors are beneficial to running a production line with less to no interruption, in turn adding safety measures to the plant and our staff. From a financial model point of view, we discovered other key points securing our investment in piped natural gas, with up to 40% savings calculated when compared to the alternative fueling systems. This is owing to less maintenance requirements, making the initial investment of installation viable. High demand production warrants trouble-free solutions. Egoli Gas has proven supply capability on our increasing demand with no interruptions, ensuring our manufacturing stays unmatched in our industry. So remember, next time you pop open a bottle or a can of Kingsley's great tasting beverages, that we have taken all the measures to ensure that you get the best quality every time. If you're in the manufacturing business in Johannesburg, we recommend you choose a greener, more consistent alternative like Egoli Gas. Consider piped natural gas as a safer, cost-effective energy source.